So here we have the Oehms Pro Leather Tennis Grip. So this is the special touch edition. It's the brown color. It has adhesive, this way you could change it out with ease. And it's made in Germany. So this has a great reputation of having the finest calf skin, and it's the preferred grip of many people who enjoy a true traditional leather grip. It's smooth, it's got a nice tacky grip if you don't use over grip, and it helps get you more touch by reducing the grip size due to the thinner version and the properties of the leather, which you kind of feel the bevels a little better than other grips, and this gives you a more precise feel in your hand, so you pretty much get more feedback from this grip. I use an over grip over it because I tend to have sweaty hands, but even with an over grip over it, depending on the type of grip you have, you can still feel the crisp edge that this fit provides you, and the feedback is more of a true feedback. It's very easy to put on, and I like having this, and it also may provide a little bit more weight to your handle, which tends to give you a little bit more racket head speed on the racket. So you know, it's a good way to customize your racket for a cheap price and give you that quality, real tennis feel. Place those kind of budget grips that come on these expensive rackets. So I like it, and you'll probably like it too, so give it a try.